Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I use the Bumble and Bumble BB Scalp Detox. So the team at Bumble and Bumble sent me a few products and I'm going to be showing you how I use them in my hair care routine to achieve this look that I'm wearing today, which I would call a high pineapple. The team at Bumble and Bumble sent me a few products. They sent me the BB Scalp Detox, the dry oil finishing spray, ooh, it's hard to focus, the UV heat protector, invisible shampoo, and conditioner. So now I'm going to split my hair into 4 large sections. And then I'm going to use a hair scrunchie to keep each section separated. Now I'm going to take the BB Detox and spray it on my scalp. So starting in the middle, and work my way straight to the back. And the same with the sides. Work the foam into my scalp and really massage it in. And guys, it's such a cool feeling sensation. I can't even explain it. You have to try it. So now I'm going to take my first section and begin to put the foam inside. And I say I would split each section into about 3 parts and just massage the foam in, and pretty much repeat it for each section. So I am going to let these air dry. So now I've opened up to my best ability most of the curls, but typically I'm not a fan of a day one twist out because, as you can see, there's no volume. So I'm actually gonna wear it up, and what I will be using is, so when I tie it up into a pineapple, one, it helps stretch it, and then it also helps with volume. So tomorrow the fro should be bigger. So I'm gonna use my shoestring. First I'm just gonna move my hair forward. Then I'm going to use my shoestring So this is going to be my pineapple updo. And then, for the last time, spray a little more. And this spray is really lightweight. And then, I'm going to take so my edges. So as you can see, the hair, the shoestring I used is pretty much to the front to allow my hair to hang. And then, where is my, one last thing I like to do is to just take my, I guess, sideburns. So then I'm going to take my spray bottle of water, spray a little on my hand, I think I put too much, so the water is going to help loosen it up a little bit. There we go. There we go. The same with this side. There we go. Bam! I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you.